Hi, I'm Bryan, here to introduce the Joy Factory's first tablet mobile cart. With a hyper-focus on the little details, we've developed a full line of healthcare carts designed to empower users and improve patient care. The carts come in two standard variations. The first, our magnet cart, which features our MagConnect Quick Connect mounting solution. The second, our VESA cart, which can be used to mobilize existing equipment or be paired with an enclosure to secure and lock your tablet. Each cart delivers on stability and quality to ensure it won't take you out of the game. The articulating gooseneck arm enables quick and easy adjustment so the perfect angle can be reached every time. It measures 10 inches so it can be positioned for sitting or standing. The coil within the gooseneck has been tested and bent over 10,000 times and has a load capacity of 6 pounds, so it can accommodate the most popular tablets on the market. The cable management clips throughout the cart can be used to manage multiple cables of various thickness to ensure an aesthetically pleasing look. To reduce out of service time, the cart was designed with sanitation in mind. With minimal crevices, you'll find it quick and easy to clean. Navigating any facility while pulling equipment can be cumbersome. The ergonomic handle, paired with our wide 24-inch base, will ensure the cart smoothly tags along. The 3-inch casters are made of a special blend of materials to ensure a smooth glide. Each wheel features an independent lock to stabilize while not in motion. A full line of accessories were designed to help streamline the user's workflow. The work surface can be used to hold a laptop, mini keyboard, or simply a notepad and clipboard. It is designed to securely attach along the cart's arm, covering a wide range of height requirements. Its maximum weight capacity is 22 pounds and delivers on stability. The surface area measures 17 by 12 inches. Essential tools can be stored in the basket. The side and back hooks can be used to manage cables or hang tools, while the lattice pattern gives quick visibility to the basket's contents. The holder is roughly 6 inches wide, 10 inches tall, and 4 inches deep, and can be used to hold a wide variety of equipment. From power banks to hub stations, this holder can be locked to keep items from being misplaced. These sleek and easy to clean carts match any healthcare environment and provide a future-proof investment. Each cart can be easily upgraded as new tablets and accessories are released. AgileGo, focusing on the fine details to enhance the user's experience.